and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Talia. Today I was like, I'm fucking bored. I'm home with nothing to do, so I'm gonna play with some makeup today. I was like, yes girl, yes. What better way, right? So I went ahead and just primed my eyelids off camera because sometimes that takes a minute. So I think I'm gonna go in with this pink color right here, and I'm just gonna place that pink right here. Now that first shade is super light, and that's okay because that's what we want. Boy, I love this. So I'm gonna take a different brush and I'm gonna go in with this pink right here. Tap off the excess, and I'm just packing that on my eyelid. Ooh, that's pink. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend those edges because, girl, you have to blend your edges or else they look crazy. So I think I'm going to add a little bit more pink on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm gonna place it exactly right here. So I just wanna focus that right there, and then I'm just gonna blend it a little bit higher. Straight on my eyelid. I'm gonna go in with this purple, and I'm just gonna pack this purple on my outside. Okay, bitch. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, bitch. That looks so cute. Okay, so hold on. So this is clean, and I'm just gonna go in and I'm just going to just smooth that out because we don't want no harsh lines, girl. You have to blend till your wrist fucking hurts. I kind of want to put a little bit more purple in there, and I'm specifically gonna place that right here. I really like that purple, so we're just gonna build it up. Boy, I love this. I'm gonna be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in white. I've never used this one before, so I'm a little excited. So I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand. I don't know how you guys do it. I'm super curious. Do you guys do that too? Okay, so I'm just gonna take a flat brush right where my eyelid starts. I'm going to look up. I'm sure you guys all know that trick, right? I hope you guys know that. Okay, so I'm gonna look up, look around. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I would go in with this, but I feel like it's too much. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here as my lid. So I'm gonna just sprint. I'm just gonna pack that on my lid. Bitch, that looks cute. Okay, bitch. Okay, I fucking see you. I'm gonna take this same purple and I'm gonna pack that just on the back. And I'm gonna blend that in. Ooh. You see that? Do you see that? Okay, okay. I really, really like this purple. Look at this purple and this pink came out. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of this light purple and I'm gonna blend these two colors together so it's just not so super harsh. Super soft. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, and I still have this brush that has a whole bunch of pink shit on it. So I'm gonna super light, girl. I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna go right over. Super light. Boom, we're done. So I have these cute little glitter sticks that I thought would be cute to put on the line because bitch, I live for that. So I think I'm gonna go in with the silver. Girl, can you see that? Can you really see that? So I just popped some lashes on, girl. So for the bottom, I think I'm gonna go in with a second pink. So I just got this NYX white eyeliner. I've never tried it. I bought it because I was like, dang, this would be really cute with some lip. This is the final result of the eyeshadow. I am blown away by these results, guys. I'm so surprised on how pretty this came out. I love to get out of my comfort zone and definitely mess with eyeshadows that I'm normally not used to touching. I love the look. It is so beautiful. So if you like this video or you like videos like this, do not be afraid to smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time your girl posts another video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!